I'm gonna tie a classic pheasant tail nymph. Is one of the eldest fly around, but still work very well, especially when fishing or feeding on natural insects. Just before an hatch is one of the best time to use it. So I start with, this is the version without beadhead. We'll use copper to add weight. So I fix the copper now. And do a first layer with the copper to have some extra weight up and down. So do this. Go back. This fly is weighted, but has to be not too heavy because you wanna fish it, if you fish it as single fly in the first 3-4 inches of the water column. So, okay, now go back. Okay, now I leave the copper there. I take 3 or 4 fibers of a pheasant tail feather. In this case, I'm tying a fly on the number 12, so I'm using 4 to 5 fibers. Let's do a couple more. Okay. So you pair them. Okay, and then you start with the tail. It has to be roughly the length of the shank of the hook. The hook is a wide gape, straight hook. I go up to 2/3. And keep it there. I'm gonna go back, forth. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fiber together with the thread to make them a little stronger. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm gonna cut it down. Most of the time I use the same feather to do the over thorax, but in this case I cut it a bit too short. Should have taken longer fiber. So I come to here. Then I fix a bunch of new fiber that will do the back of the fly. Like again, 4 of them. I'm gonna tie them here. Okay, now I create the thorax with some copper. that will be the weight of the fly. So fix the copper. Then I take 4 fiber of peacock, natural peacock hair. Fix them. Then again, put them around the thread to make them a little stronger. Okay. Fix it. Then turn the pheasant fiber to create back of the fly. 3-4 turns should be enough. Got it. Just drop drop. 2, 3. Okay. Done. So this little fly can be one of the most effective tools when you fish with spooky fish just before a hatch or whenever mayflies are around.